Good morning, Kinder V students. Welcome to Wednesday's phonics lesson. Before we get to our paper, we're going to review flashing. I'm going to flash the cards from chart 12. I'm going to do these with you. So go ahead and do these with me, and then we're going to do, well, you're going to do chart 13 as I flash them to you. So let's begin with chart 12. We'll do these together. Ready? And begin. B and because, V-E. Iron, fire, I-R-E. Air and hair, A-I-R. And push, U. And wrinkle, W-R. All and also, A-L. This is that tricky one. And enough, O-U-G-H. So this makes the sound. One more time. And enough, O-U-G-H. And enjoy, E-N. That's the prefix, not the suffix. We have N and sharpen, which is the suffix, but this is the prefix because this dash comes before the root word. N and enjoy, E-N. Air and carry, A-R-R. Prefix. All in, also, all in, and asleep, A. Look at Miss Bartholomew messed up too. So, and asleep, A. And button, U-N. Ud and could, O-U-L-D. And country, O-U. Not ow and out. And country, O-U. Okay, now you're going to shout out chart 13. I'm not going to say them with you, but go ahead and say it as I hold it up. Did you get stuck? A and crystal, Y. Remember, this is shun, shunnination. Excellent job. Okay, I know you guys are all doing really well with chart 13, and we want some more practice with chart 12. But now we are going to have a worksheet, and I know this one many of you could do by yourself. I'm going to do a few with you, and then you're going to do the rest by yourself. But we're going to go ahead and get out page 155. So go ahead and take out page 155 while I share my screen with you. Okay, and I'm going to share my screen right now. There we are, 155. So we are going to circle the picture word. The first one is done for us. So we look at the picture and then circle the word that is a picture of. If you have any trouble reading the words, what do? Right, you would decode it. We decode it by marking our vowels and circling our special sounds. So let's look at the one next to bicycle. What is that a picture of? Okay, if you're not sure, you're just going to, again, decode. So like for instance, if I decode this one, this is Sutton City, and bird, and little, and that word is circle. Is that a circle? No, that is a what? A square. Okay, so we circle the word square. Next picture, what number is shown? Remember? There's 3 words there, and there's a very big difference between all the 3 words. So we have A and 8 in all of them, A and 8, EIGH, and then we have some other words. Okay, so that number is 80. Now it's not 18. They sound almost the same, but there's a very big difference between I have $18 and I have $80, okay? So this is 880. Okay. What does this person do? What kind of person is this? You circle it. Which word is this? Person. I'm going to give you a minute or less than a minute. Did you circle doctor? You are correct. I wonder what this is. Oh, I know, it's a pull. No, it's not, Miss Bartolome. What is it, guys? That is a bush. Okay, you certainly know what fruit that is. Go ahead and circle that word. You certainly know. And I know that you circled banana. Oh, here's that other number. Remember, what number is this that we see? 18. So the word 18. Okay. I wonder what kind of bird this is. You circle. What kind of bird is it? You circle it first. You are correct. It's a parrot. And what is this? Well, I know that's a picture of a chair, and I know a chair is something we sit on, right, boys and girls? No, we don't lean back in it or rock in it. I know we like to, but we don't want to get hurt. So, did you circle this word? That is chair. Okay, now we have a review of, we're adding these suffixes to the root word. Now the root word, all of these root words are long vowels. Who knows the rule when adding a suffix to a long vowel? What do we do? What do we do? We drop the E before adding any of these suffixes. The suffixes we're going to add is ing and pointing, ing, ed and wanted, to and look, d and played, ed, or and bigger, er. Okay, so you can choose any of them if the word makes sense, of course. So most of these suffixes can be added to any of these words, but you want to say it to make sure it makes sense. So you don't have to choose the same one I do. Let's do the first one, like. Okay, well, like what I was just saying, if I choose and make it like is that a word? I like vanilla better than chocolate. Does that make sense? Okay. How about ed? I liked chocolate better than vanilla. Okay. So we rewrite the word liked. And if you want to choose ing, go right ahead. L-I-K. I dropped the E before adding ed. I liked. Okay. Next word, we have bake. Oh, yes. Any of these are going to work, aren't they? You choose a word, and I'm going to choose one too. You choose a suffix. Now remember, drop the E. And I'm going to choose this word. I dropped the E before adding ed. I chose the word baked because I baked donuts this past weekend. I really did. I made blueberry donuts. I baked them. So they were a little bit better for you. They were really delicious because they were made with real fresh blueberries. They were really good, just by the way. Okay, now we have rake. What are you going to choose? Okay, I'm going to choose ing. So let me rewrite it. R-A-K. I dropped the E before adding ing. Raking. What did you choose? Can you do raker? He's a raker? No, that one's not going to make sense, is it? Okay. Next word, chase. Okay. Did you pick a word? I picked a word, a suffix to add. C-H-A-S. I drop the E, and then I'm going to add E-D. Chased. Chased. Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to let you do the last 4 by yourself. Let me stop sharing because I'm going to let you know while you do those last 4 what's just the most important thing that you do before adding the suffix. Drop the E and then add ing. Okay, so and then make sure your word makes sense and it's not just a word you made up. Okay, all right, boys and girls, I know you can do it, and I will see you soon for math. Okay, bye-bye.